Hello! In this video I will show you how to set a custom rich presence in Discord. What is rich presence? As you can see on the video, this is extended information about your current game activity. This card includes the name of the current game, additional information, and the logo, large and small images. And also the elapsed time counter can be displayed here. To share your gaming activity, just go to the profile settings, game activity, and then enable this checkbox. It's easy. But this status can be customized. Okay, let's get started. Go to the official Discord website. Here you need to be authorized. At the end of this page, click on the developer's link. Click here, Applications. Now you need to create new application. Click on this blue button. In the name field, you need to enter your custom name of the current game or application. I want to make a custom rich presence with Sony Vegas Pro, where I'm making this video now. I type here, Sony Vegas Pro 13. Next go to the Rich Presence tab. Now you need to add images, which will be shown on your status. I have two images, with the logo as a large image, and with the arrow as a small. All images must have a resolution of at least 512 by 512 pixels. Then you need to rename this images here, as shown on the video. Save this changes. Next you need to download this application, which allows you to set the custom rich presence in Discord. Don't be afraid to use this is open source program. Download link you can find in the description. Download this program as shown on the video. Next unpack downloaded archive. Open this folder. Open the config file using any text editor. Now I'm going to configure the rich presence. Go back to the application settings page. Go to General Information tab, and copy the client ID, here. Then you need to set the client ID, in the config file. Next customize state and details. If you want to set time elapsed counter, go to this website and copy the current timestamp here. Set this in the config at the start timestamp value. Next you need to set here, early uploaded images. Enter here the names of the images and type the tooltips. Save this file. And now you need just to run the program. Okay, done. Let's go to the Discord, and as you can see now I have the custom rich presence in my profile. By the way, please join to my Discord server and subscribe to my channel. I hope this information was useful to you. Write in the comments what you want to see on this channel. Thank you for watching.